This segment of Moms Every Day is brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com.
Welcome to momseveryday.com. I'm your host, Jen Lennon. Today I'm joined by Tammy York. She is the owner of 719woman.com, and Ashley Gillett. She is a contributor to the website. Ladies, welcome.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
I am good, and you guys always look wonderful
Thank
as
you.
usual.
Thank you.
Tammy, for people who might not know, what is 719woman.com?
We are a website that shows women how you can live a great life on a budget, whether it's fashion, cooking, cleaning. Just because you're on a budget doesn't mean that you have to feel like you're on a budget.
Right, you can look good and be good, and that's part of what we're going to talk about today. You just finished a contest. Tell us about the contest.
We just finished up a contest. It was open to any women, any woman in Colorado Springs, and it included a Goodwill makeover with clothes, hairstyle, makeup, and our winner looked fabulous.
And tell us briefly a little bit about your winner.
Brooke is a stay-at-home mom with a 4-year-old son. Her husband just got back from Afghanistan. He had been over there for 9 months, so the timing on this was perfect.
Wonderful.
And, yeah, it was just perfect.
Now, Ashley, you're a fashion contributor to 719woman.com, so tell me, what is it that you bring to this whole makeover experience? What part do you play?
Well, Jen, I do have a Bachelor's of Science in Apparel and Merchandising.
Oh, fabulous.
I work in the fashion industry every day.
Okay.
So it's my heart, it's my passion, it's what I absolutely love to do. So I help Tammy by, you know, putting on a different perspective when we go on these shopping sprees. It's a blast. I really enjoy it.
And I can say that when I did my spree with you guys, Ashley, you were great because you would pull things out and I had no idea.
Yeah.
Now here we're looking at your contest winner, Brooke. Look at these cute outfits. Ashley, did you help put these together?
I did. It's kind of, you know, Tammy and I work together, but together we come up with, you know, we found that dress for her, we did the green dress for her, and then we just started piecing outfits together with the different separates we found.
And my guess is that a stay-at-home mom, she probably wouldn't have picked some of those things herself, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now Tammy, the whole hairpiece, look at that.
Yes,
So-
doesn't she look fabulous?
She
That's
does.
Ron from Genesis Hair Salon, and he just softened up her look. Her makeup is fabulous. There's the before.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
And we can see that such a different look. Oh my gosh.
Doesn't she look? She looks fabulous, doesn't she? She's glowing.
Gosh, absolutely, she's just beautiful. And really, it was just a matter of, you know, you were talking about that outside perspective. Somebody else coming in and taking a look. Because, you know, as a mom, sometimes we're so busy taking care of everybody else, we kind of get stuck in our little ruts, right?
Right. And we don't know we don't usually know the women.
Right.
So we don't know what they normally wear, so we can pull things out that they wouldn't typically pick for themselves.
And Ashley, how do you feel about all this once you finish a makeover with someone?
Well, it feels really good to know, you know, when they walk out of the Goodwill or when we're finished with the makeover, they feel amazing. They just have this new self-confidence, and it really, you know, for Tammy and I, it's a wonderful feeling knowing that we're helping somebody else feel amazing.
And all of this is on a budget. That's the part
It's
that
all
we
on
need
a
to mention.
budget,
That
right,
was on
right.
Goodwill. Things she was wearing, no individual item more than $10. you
No,
told me, right?
absolutely.
And that's just so wonderful for women, especially if, you know, money's a little bit tight, that they can feel beautiful like that.
And
right?
I liked, she emailed me, and not only did she say her husband and son they kept touching her hair when she got home that night, but when she walked out of my house at the end of the day, we started at 9:30, finished at 6:15, so the whole day was about her.
Right.
But she just had a sass in her walk, and she was
That's
just,
awesome.
it was great.
That's great. Well, we encourage everybody to head to the website because I know you're starting up a new contest and they can get details starting Sunday on that.
Yes.
Thanks, ladies, for being with us and
Thanks,
for what
Jen.
you do.
Thanks.
Jen.
And for more information on 719woman.com, you can go to our website, momseveryday.com. Thank you for joining me today and every day. I'm your host, Jen Lennon, for momseveryday.com.
Moms Every Day, weekdays on KKTV, is brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com.